I've got the chest of drawers on its side at the moment, and this is the rail below the top drawer, and it's got a really big bend in it. So I'll plane this straight so you can see how far out it is. That's actually quite a bit. And the problem with that is it stops this drawer from closing. It's not easy to see, but there's a lip here. So this is 3/4 of an inch. That bit is 3/8 of an inch, which goes all the way to the front. And this is just another 2-inch piece that's glued underneath to thicken it up at further rail. So I need to get this out to do something with it to get it flat again. I need to take this strip of mahogany off here. It's been spliced in before, so I only need to take that bit off. The one on the other side's already missing, so that makes that a little bit easier. Then we can get to the dovetail joint that's behind it. I thought this was dovetailed, and it looks like it was originally. There's a little mark there, and that bit's new. That's been replaced in, so it's been altered sometime in the past when this was redone. But it is loose, that one. The other one's tight because it's got a nail in it. So this is the other side. You can see the mark there where the original dovetailing was, so that's been altered as well. And there's a nail there that looks like it's been driven in, which is holding this in place. So I'm going to have to try and dig that out so I can hopefully do something with this. Well, it put up a bit of a fight, but I got it out eventually. Now I have to figure out how to flatten it out. Right, so that is 1/4 of an inch out. So as you can see, I've cut the rail up, cut the centre out, replaced it with a bit of sapele, so that is now straight and it's not going to bend again. I'll trim the edges up, I'll put the front back on, I'll recut the joints at the end. I might have to add a bit more material, but I think it might be alright as it is. clean the back up and glue the dust board back on. Then it can go back in and you'll never know. But that's quite a bit of work in that. But before I do all that, I'm going to clean my bench up because it's a right mess and it's driving me absolutely mad. It's still a mess, but at least I've got some space now to work on.